Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are on our way to Hinston.
We are ready for some picnic, and yeah, we set this area like this. Girls, everything I made it at home. We got some chicken strips.
Mashed potatoes.
This one is spicy one with lots of coriander, onion and chilies and some salt. And we got some boiled egg here. Yummy. We got some mashed potato for girls, and we got this hot chili sauce, and we got this sweet chili sauce, and we got this salt. We got some chippy, this one and this one and this one. Lots of salad. Cucumber, lettuce, apple and chickpea. I haven't added any salt or anything, it's just plain. And we got some plates. And we got some buns, some cups, lots of spoons and forks. And here we got Red Bull.
Interesting.
And I got this Super Boost watermelon flavor, and this one is orange mango, and got this Pepsi.
Oh, there, I can see it. It's like,
Okay, it's here.
it's camouflage.
We found one kangaroo. Oh, so cute. We are going to start off with Isha.
Okay, so where are these glasses from?
I think it's from JJ's. Okay.
And then these earrings are from Shein.
It's beautiful.
And that this necklace is from Prouds.
Yeah.
And this watch, I got it from a shop in Fiji, like ages ago.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was called. And then these bracelets are from my
I think-
mum's drawers.
Yeah.
This shirt is from Shein. These pants are from Shein as well. These shoes are from Culture King.
Puma.
Yeah. Oh, these rings are from Prouds. Mate, all this whole outfit's mine.
Okay.
Okay, so the glasses from OPSM. Yeah. Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know where these are from. I also don't know where this is from. Anyway.
Let's see that one. I like it. It's beautiful.
These pants are from Shein, the e-shoes. This shirt is from Shein. This necklace is from Lavisa. Earring from,
Prouds, I think.
yes, and this one's from Lavisa.
Okay.
And shoes are from JD. JD.
It's Jordan.
How dare you do that to the shoes?
It's beautiful.
And that's it.
And this sunglass is of course from JJ's. And this, I don't know where this bracelets
We
are from.
just got it from her drawer.
Yeah, and this from Lovisa. It's beautiful rings. And this is Fitbit watch, and I'm wearing these shoes, which is from Omega. I will put the link below in the description box. With my code you can like get some percentage off. And the skirt and this top is from Valley Girl. Not wearing any necklace today, but I'm wearing this earring. Those ones are from Prouds, but this one is from Lovisa, I think. Okay, we are going to do hubby's outfit of the day for the first time.
Shoes from Kmart. Pants is from LD. Yeah.
That's nice.
Got lots of pockets. That pocket. Top is from H&M. Yeah, it's from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Watch Pro 5. Jewelry. This is from Prouds.
Yeah.
This is from Fiji, and I'm made in Fiji as well.
No, you're not.
Hello.
Made in jungle.
Huh? Yeah, Fiji jungle.
The necklace is from Prouds, I think.
Prouds, and this
That's from Prouds.
Prouds.
is beautiful.
The glasses. These are Ray-Ban. This is from Ray-Ban store.
And the hat, Culture King.
And
Cool. Yeah, 10.
So cool.
Yeah.
I said, it like flew past and took it out of my hand. Yeah.
Oh, hello. This is the toilet. There's a park there. This is Hinsdam park area. This is Hinsdam. Oh my god, there is no water, I think.
yeah, nothing.
Wow, it's so dry. There is some water.
There's
Ooh,
not much left.
I think last time we came it was overflowing.
Yes, was coming from there.
Snow water.
See, now it's still in one hole.
Wow. We need rain. No? Yeah. We were down there. And we can go up there too. The place. But we are not going. We came here like so many times and girls are not coming out of the car. So it's nice place to come for a picnic. I hope you liked my today's video, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And literally I did color my hair. The video is up on my YouTube channel, so do watch that video if you want to see like which color I have used. Found it?
Very long. I'm holding cash. Oh my god, guys. Why is strapless bra such a struggle?
Yeah.
She got this shirt enlarged, guys. Why would she get it enlarged?
हम बताया ये गाय के गुलगुला बनाओ. Feel like eating gulgula. What did you add in there?
You got baking powder, sugar, sultana,
And flour. And now you add some egg. I want very simple Fiji style. 1 cup milk.
little bit. Okay, enough.
What's that?
तुम कौन सी ऐड करा उसमें वनीला and some cardamom.
Okay, no.
Using ice cream scoop.
See, when you put this, the heat goes low because of the containment.
Yummy in my tummy.
Yeah, soon.
What else will it go?
Looks good.
Tastes good as well.
It is good.
Let me try like this. Tastes like gulgula.
Because it is. Google, Google.
Yeah, what's it called? Say?
Google, Google.
Okay, it's Google. That's Google. You know, that thing is Google. Boisha. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
eating with this marmalade
Give me one. Okay.
and this cream. Tastes really good. First time I did it, and this guy wasn't recording.
Aha.
I was talking. You can use this whipped cream and this marmalade jam, or you can also try with strawberry jam. Like, it's really, really tasty. Literally, I love it. You like it, Eliza?
Or you can just eat it just like that.
Yeah, you can just eat it like that too.
It tastes like cinnamon buns.
Really? Nice.
KFC dinner.